So look what UPS dropped off today. We had major issues with the carburetors on both those Kawasaki's. So I ended up just ordering a couple off Amazon. They'll be here on Tuesday. What do you think?
About time. We've been just waiting for Tuesday to show up.
Here it is, Tuesday. So let's get them going.
They're a little different. I don't know what the electrical stuff is, but we're gonna make it work.
I believe the electrical is like a supersede. It's for a newer model than a 96. But as far as the throttle, the choke, actually even the idle, that little doohinker right there is pretty much the same thing. Let's get them running.
Let's do it.
Do I need to go get some fuel? You want to put this on, Wyatt?
Sure.
There you go. I'll hold the old camera for a minute. All right, Hunter's got the battery charger hooked up. We're gonna see if this old girl will fire. Fire in a hole. Oh!
Just a wrench falling.
Bump your idle up a little. So, Hunter's won't idle, but it'll rev up. As you can obviously see, Wyatt got mine going, and I think before long we'll be able to mob these things, so stay tuned for the epic race of the century. I think Wyatt's ready to go mob his.
He gone.
There we go.
He gone. It runs.
Oh, wonder if he has brakes. Is it mint?
It runs beautifully.
Hook his.
I gotta have a battery or what?
Hook his.
Gotta have a battery.
So we're gonna hook the Milwaukee battery up to this. Show us how this works.
So look right here. Battery, positive, negative.
Okay.
Yeah. And
plug
you
that.
jam the eyelets in there, they'll clip in.
It's like it was made for
It's
this.
Milwaukee just builds stuff good.
Positive.
See, this is definitely how they intended this to be used.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure.
Nothing but the right equipment.
I wonder if
Negative.
I wonder if the magneto will charge it.
Oh yeah, it will. It doesn't like it.
Will it really?
Yeah, it does not like it. No.
Can you believe that? So Hunter just took his mobbing. Let's see how well it's running. Is that on the Milwaukee battery? Here he comes.
Tires, you didn't die. You don't even need the whole four-wheeler.
No!
What happened?
Out of gas. Yeah, probably.
Probably out of gas.
Probably.
Look at that. All of this stupid ideas.
And you still got 4 bars,
Three bars.
It's a small one too.
Yeah, this is the tiny one.
Yeah.
Milwaukee's the best, dude. I should have brought my little 12-volt battery, 'cause this is 18 volts.
Hmm.
A
Yeah.
lot of nitrous.
So what's going on, Hunter?
Something with the shifting. It doesn't, I shift and then I pin it for a little bit and then it kicks in eventually.
So it's shifting hard.
Feel better now?
I guess we've done all the damage we can do for one day.
So we're getting some batteries for it tomorrow?
Yep. Batteries are coming tomorrow.
Let's see.
Then
Most
it's
important
challenge
thing.
time?
Then it's challenge time.
Me and him or me and you?
It's Dad.
You and I.
Okay.
That is mine.
Better do some push-ups and sit-ups or something.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I have the tiger stuff.
Do I
real
need
fast.
to get prepared for this race?
I think so.
Something's on fire in the muffler, but that's okay.
Probably Hornets.
Yeah, you don't need to worry.
I still think experience outdoes horsepower. We will see.
Hey, at least it did a burnout. That's
I used to race motocross professionally back in the 80s. 125 class. I was only 150 pounds. That was a few pounds ago.
Yeah, it was a few pounds ago.
Alright, so taking this stuff, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a bus seat topper because the way it's folded, just inside out. I gotta split it open so I have two sides and then cover these seats with it. Show you how to do that the complete wrong way.
So, what you got going on here, Wyatt?
Well, I'm doing this. That don't mean I know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it.
In the past, I've done it, and you start on the long side. So I would stretch here, staple it, stretch there, and then when you push down, it takes the crease, and then you pull it around and just stretch that stuff as tight as you can get it and staple it under there.
Well, I'm mostly just getting the clamps on to put the dang thing on in the first place.
Yeah. So
At least so it holds it.
I would come up like this, pin that with the stapler, then I would stretch this as tight as you can, pin that, and then start rolling it back, and then as it goes into the crease of that, it's gonna tighten everything.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like a pool table. But don't let me interfere.
Yeah. Okay. Now, how did I sign up for this?
I don't know.
So here's a perfect example of why you don't put me in charge of stuff I don't know what I'm doing. That looks horrible. Okay, so before, that's some nice fabric right there. After, it don't look much better, but now it's brown.
Hey, look what the cat drug in. So, Wyatt was gonna poster your seat for free, Hunter. What do you think?
Really? I don't even know if it's worth a free job.
Hey,
Look,
Might be asking too much.
wow.
For it. I might have to pay him to do that bad of a job.
The day has come. We got both of these beasts going. New carbs, new batteries, and custom seat covers.
Just
Elegant.
custom.
So, what do you think?
Let's do it.
Let's do her. Okay. We're gonna go down the river a little ways, buy a little ATV track that's been there since he was born. We'll do just time a lap around it, maybe 2 laps, I don't know. There's some little whoop-de-doos, a couple of bumps, some berms. It could get interesting. We got my wife, Carsey, and Bodie are coming with. And we've got a flagger and a timer, so let's do it. Head
You
up.
really think you still can beat me?
You're gonna get schooled.
Oh my gosh.
We'll see.
Alright.
What's going on, guys?
So we're gonna go run the course once on the Terex so that we know where we're going. Mom's gonna run the stopwatch and Carsey's gonna run the flag.
Yeah.
You flipped it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go with tails never fails like you did.
But we never.
That's heads.
Okay.
So you get to pick whether you go first or last.
I'll go first.
Okay. And then I'll have a benchmark.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
We're gonna start here and we're gonna end right there.
Yep.
I'll put a line in the sand over there.
Who's got the timer?
Mom's got the timer.
Okay.
Okay, so as soon as the whip drops, then Mom's gonna start the timer. time to beat?
1:19:43.
1:19:43. That's the time to beat.
What'd I get?
1:19.3.
Woo! Holy crap.
Okay.
Don't kill yourself.
I'll try not to.
What's your predictions?
Drop the flag when I go
You're gonna
by
win.
first.
No!
I gotta keep it running.
That's cheating. It's the only way. That is cheating.
Honey, he needs all the help he can get.
I agree.
Yeah.
I'm gonna predict the time here.
Oh, there it is.
I'm gonna go with
1:34. I'm gonna go
1:38.
1:36.
1:38.
1:34.
1:38.
1:34.
He is cooking though. He is. That four-wheeler is fast. I'm scared now. I'm a little nervous. Where are we at?
43.
What'd I get?
1:19.
Balls. Dude, he is flying.
He
is. He's cooking. I will give it to him. He's all in.
He knows what he's doing. You might have some competition here, guy.
Oh, I think it died.
Did he roll or? Bodie's running over there, so
I think he crashed.
let's get in the side by side and go look. We thought you crashed.
Died. It's like the tranny died or something.
We thought you crashed. You just disappeared.
Yeah, it's like either not getting juice.
What are you leaking? Is that
It's
fuel,
fuel.
or is that?
It's got all the fuel it needs.
Oh, I lost the battery. That's why. Oh, it's right there.
Where?
Oh, it's hanging. It's hanging. You sandwiched it between the tires.
Oh crap.
You should just plug right back
Oh.
Hey, what was it? Zip ties?
in. Yes.
Oh
'Cause
my
he didn't
gosh.
have jump or bungee cord.
So I probably ruined something.
It came unplugged. You'll be fine.
Oh my gosh. Hey,
It's
the lights
just-
came on.
It's just that one, right?
Yep.
So I get a rerun.
I don't think you do.
I
You're
do.
cheating. No,
No,
that,
'cause that battery.
that doesn't count.
We'll do the rerun on that.
I was kicking it, man.
You
I-
were.
You
You
I
were.
would have won it.
I don't. You wouldn't have
I
won
would
it.
have won it.
You weren't even at half. You were at halfway, and you were at 50 seconds.
No.
I checked.
No.
I checked.
But this is like 30 seconds right here.
I know. And
Or
that
20.
you just did
I-
the math real fast. So
Yeah.
You would win.
So, okay. Well, we know what the problem was. Lost my battery. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow.
He was cooking. I was like, he's gonna die.
That sucks because I was kicking butt. So we had some technical difficulties, as you could see. Wyatt's zip tie job worked really good on the battery.
Let me tell you, I said zip ties were a bad idea.
Okay, so we can either run them again or I will concede.
I say we run him again. I don't want it. I don't want to just participation award.
You don't want a participation
Participation
award?
Participation award.
Okay, well, we know what your time is.
No,
Let me
I
just.
want to run again then. If you get a run again, I want to run again.
So I'll run this time.
Unless my time's worse, and then I get to take my
No.
first time.
Okay, flagger.
You run first, and I'll run second.
Hey, you gotta be in neutral. You gotta be. That's how I was. You gotta be in neutral.
I'm behind the line.
You gotta be in
Don't be a
neutral.
wimp. Okay, drop the flag there.
Drop it.
I'm gonna go with 126. Okay, 128. She's 126. I'm 128. What's your guess that he gets?
120
120?
or better, dude. He's fast.
He's not.
You're smiling big. Why don't you show the camera before he gets here?
Yeah, you can show the camera.
Oh.
What do you think you got?
130.
132.
That's not bad. But I'm not used to this machine, right?
Me neither.
Oh, I was gonna take a picture of the time, but I guess you got it on there, right?
I got it on the camera.
32.
Okay. Ready?
There he comes. Where are you at?
105, 106.
107. 9. It's. See, he's got. That has to be wrong. The first time.
No, it wasn't.
125.
124.92.
That's 125.
This thing sucks. This one is backfired.
Would you like to see the time?
Oh.
That makes me wonder if it's lean popping.
You have to take your second time because you ran it twice.
You still won.
Yep. You got to take second time because you took a second try.
You only beat me by 8 seconds this time.
No, I still won though. What, I gotta go again?
No.
I'm just saying you don't get the 109.
119.
Oh, I know. I still won.
What was 119?
Yeah.
But you did win.
Yeah, I'll take it.
All right, in all fairness,
Thank
you're
you.
the proud owner of $1.
Oh.
Well, there you have it. That's the end of this series. Unless you want to dump a ton of money in them and do it again.
No, I'm good. Let's just race cars.
Yeah.
Nova versus the grandpa truck.
Nova versus the 69 C10.
The outcome's gonna be the same. I'm sorry
No,
to tell
it
you.
won't.
It's gonna be the same.
Yeah, your Nova won't run right.
What
like
are you
this.
talking about? Oh yeah. Says the one that just bought a carburetor, needed to change his steering column.
Oh.
There it is.
So, we got a little surprise. I've had Wyatt here working on these four-wheelers because I've been busy in the wood shop. And since he is out of wheels at the moment, I'm going to give you mine. So, there you go. If you can get it home.
Now I see why you had me working on it. All right, there it is.
So, yep, it's yours. We have titles and everything. So,
Perfect.
there you go. There's your wheels to get back and forth to work. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure and shenanigan. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Sweet.